Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn federalism together, step by step. Welcome, I am Vidya. In this chapter, we study federalism, a system where power is divided between a central authority and various states, and how it works in India. Federalism is a system of government with two or more levels. Each level governs the same citizens, but has its own powers in specific matters, and these powers are protected by the Constitution. The Indian Constitution divides subjects into lists. The Union list, like defense, is for the central government. The state list, like police, is for states. The concurrent list, like education, is shared by both. After independence, India reorganized its states mainly on the basis of language. This made administration easier and, far from dividing the country, actually strengthened national unity. India also practices decentralization, giving power to local self-government. Village panchayats and urban municipalities form a third tier, bringing decision-making closer to ordinary people. To recap, federalism divides power between central and state governments through three lists. India strengthened unity with linguistic states and brought democracy closer through decentralization. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.